Alright, we are driving up to Nashua, New Hampshire for the punk rock show. My man Andy Ragety Andy, was hosting the show at the Terminus Underground in Nashua. We were playing with Oziem, Junkpunk, Nick the Barbarian, and my girl Caitlin was backing me up on vocals. I met Andy like 2 years ago when Damien and I shot up to do a punk and poetry show. And then Andy and I ended up playing Olympia, Washington by Rancid together, so we were bonded by the blood of our punk rock forefathers. This is going to be a sick show in Nashua. I was feeling much like the devil. There was something burning deep inside me. We left a day early from Brooklyn to go see our friends in Scituate, Massachusetts, a town right on the ocean.
The American tourists never gave up their spots, but tonight we're running on a dream, and tonight never seems so far from me, and everybody likes to step to me, and everybody loves the way I dream, and I was hoping that tonight I could finally.
Right after we crossed over the bay into Fall River, Massachusetts, we had to do a detour through Portsmouth, Rhode Island, which is this beautiful little backwater town of like fishermen and 60s and 70s beach town that I didn't even know still existed. Portsmouth, Rhode Island is actually old as hell. It was founded in 1638 by Anne Hutchinson. She was one of the dissenters from the Massachusetts Bay Colony. Even though this is a modest blue-collar fishing village, I just checked on Trulia, and the average house here cost $450,000 to $550,000. So, good luck paying for that on your blue-collar salary. We got to Scituate after dark and then got hit with a snowstorm immediately, but it wasn't all terrible because my dog had never seen snow before really, so she was pretty stoked to go out and play in it. After I ran her around for a while, went back inside, and we had a little band practice to go over the songs before we turned in for the night.
In the worst of times, they're a place to place. You in that middle, they don't stick to your chest.
This town of Scituate was mad nice, and it just snowed, so everything looked beautiful. I saw that we were like less than a mile from the beach, so I wanted to take a quick cruise over there, see what the ocean looks like in Massachusetts, and then we're gonna head right to Nashua, New Hampshire for the punk rock show that night.
We wrote cold sounds back and forth before the solid moisture dissolved the charcoal. Drew rapped to me and asked me what fame would be like. After a while, star maps, I said, Calvary Green Sharpie. Throw back to Blackbeard in his moleskin of 1995 era MTV.
The name Scituate comes from a Wampanoag word for cold brook, referring to one of the local streams, and I can confirm because it was insanely cold there. And I knew when I walked onto the beach I was going to get blasted by that wind. We got to Nashua a couple hours before showtime. We saw some of the sights. Then we headed over to the Terminus Underground, met Eleanor and Andre Dumont, who run this place. It's like an art collective venue space. They got us free pizza in the green room, which never happens to me. And then Ragety Andy kicked off the show.
Some ass work, taking some ass work, taking some ass and getting some ass work, smoke some grass and getting some ass work, smoke, get some grass, yeah. Drag, recast, kicking some ass and smoking some ass, smoking some grass and kicking some ass, kicking some gas and kicking some ass, we're smoking some grass.
Yeah.
Coming out of a hell of a shell, rolling on the concrete rail, jumping the car, saving the gas, rolling up the other's cat, trying to get away from the jack is jack. Police on the scene, you know what I mean? Straight up, rolling in the no case, and always a problem, go myself. Check out the hook of a DJ revolves in, that's baby.
This never goes, and tell me why it costs money to make love. There was a time they replaced the best. You win that medal, they don't stick to your chest. And the kids in school, they want nothing to do with you.
Crashed in Providence that night, woke up the next morning. I met the building's dog of the month, Lucy. Then we headed on back to New York City.